Spectrum Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO, using Verizon's extensive network infrastructure. This partnership affects how device unlocking works for Spectrum customers. To unlock your Spectrum Mobile device, you must meet several specific eligibility requirements. These criteria ensure account security and compliance with carrier policies. Here are the 4 main eligibility requirements. First, your account must be in good standing with no past due amounts or outstanding balances. Second, you must meet the minimum service duration requirement. For postpaid customers, this means 60 days of active service. Prepaid customers are eligible immediately upon full payment. Third, if you purchased your device through an installment plan, it must be completely paid off before unlocking is possible. This protects both the carrier and ensures device ownership. Finally, your device must have been actively used on Spectrum Mobile's network for the required minimum period. This ensures the device has proper network integration. There are special considerations for different device types. Let's examine how these requirements apply to various scenarios. Bring your own devices, or BYOD, have different rules. If you brought an unlocked device to Spectrum Mobile, it may be eligible for immediate unlocking since it wasn't originally locked to Spectrum's network. However, leased devices follow stricter rules. These devices cannot be unlocked until the lease agreement is completed and you've purchased the device outright. This protects the carrier's investment in the equipment. Understanding Spectrum Mobile's network coverage helps explain why these eligibility requirements exist. As an MVNO, Spectrum relies on Verizon's nationwide network infrastructure. This map shows the extensive network coverage that Spectrum Mobile customers enjoy through their partnership with Verizon. The red areas indicate strong network coverage across most of the United States. These eligibility requirements protect both customers and the carrier while ensuring a smooth unlock process. Meeting these criteria demonstrates responsible device ownership and account management. Remember these 4 essential eligibility requirements when considering device unlocking. Each criterion serves a specific purpose in maintaining network security and ensuring proper device ownership verification. Now that we understand device eligibility, let's walk through Spectrum Mobile's actual unlock process. This streamlined system has been designed to make unlocking as simple and efficient as possible. Step 1 happens automatically. Spectrum's system verifies your eligibility by checking your account status, payment history, and service duration. This automated process ensures only qualified devices proceed to unlock. Step 2 is submitting your unlock request. You have 2 convenient options. Use the online portal for instant submission, or contact customer service for personalized assistance. The online portal is available 24/7 and processes most requests immediately. Step 3 is the processing period. Spectrum typically processes unlock requests within 2 to 5 business days, with an average of just 2.3 days. During this time, their system validates your request and prepares the unlock authorization. Step 4 is receiving your unlock code. Spectrum delivers unlock codes through 3 methods: SMS text message, email notification, or automatic over-the-air updates. Most modern devices receive automatic updates, making the process seamless. Step 5 is receiving confirmation that your device has been successfully unlocked. You'll get a notification confirming the unlock is complete, and your device will now work with other compatible carriers. Spectrum Mobile has achieved impressive results with their unlock process. They maintain a 92% success rate for eligible requests, with most unlocks completed within the stated timeframe. The average processing time has improved to just 2.3 business days. Here's the complete unlock process flow. From automatic verification to final confirmation, Spectrum has streamlined each step to minimize wait times and maximize success rates. This efficient system reflects their commitment to customer satisfaction and regulatory compliance.